Here's Harbor Freight icon meme tool. Oh yeah. In which you can put a socket on this end, or even a socket on this end, or something else you can do is you can do this and do this and put a socket on this end. Or you can put a bit in this end and a bit in this end. And it's flex head. Bit in this end, and you can take out this. Or you can do a bunch of different setups. Where this is, I think, 3H drive, possibly. Yeah, more likely 3H drive. You can do possibly 3H drive, I think, from what it looks like on this. And you can do 1/4 inch, or you can do any of these bits on it too. So it's a nice little setup, that's for dang sure. You can do, I think, 1/4 inch and 3/8. I think that's the only options, unless you find a bit that's a 1/4 inch shank that can go up to 3/8, or even possibly 1/2 inch. I don't know, I'll have to figure it out. But I wanted to just show you guys. And this whole setup is nice. So then hopefully you guys like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you get notified when I upload. I should make YouTube shorts. And keep an eye on the community tab so YouTube makes features where you get notified when I post in the community tab. Bye guys, peace, I'm out.